Hey friends. Okay, so just got my costume from the mass camp. It was a breeze. It took all of, I don't know, there were a bunch of us. So I think if I went solo, it probably would have taken like 5 minutes. But because we went together, I let other people go in front of me, whatever, so I could take some footage and, all that jazz. But it was super quick. I wanted to arrive by like 8:45 so that we would be there when they open at 9. Other people in the big chat had the same idea. So basically, it was just us in the mass camp. I don't think there was anyone in there that I did not know. So we're going to do a goodie bag reveal to see what's inside the goodie bag. All right. So first off, I love it. Like this is probably my favorite bag to date. And I love a hot pink. So let me tilt this down. Look at that. It's so pretty. And neon. Oh, it's so freaking cute. But what's inside? What's inside? All right. Couple things. So they have instilled a curfew, I believe, that now ends at 8, where all the feds are supposed to end at 8. But then like an hour ago, they said, okay, brunch and soca will be ending at 11. So I'm very confused. I don't know. All right. First off, they knew I needed this. They knew I needed makeup wipes, makeup removers, because I brought some, like a liquid, but as I was using it last night, I was like, I don't think this is enough. And I also didn't bring the cotton pads. So perfect. And it's a full size. This is not even like a tease. Okay. We have, wait, what? All right. I think this is the bag. Hot pink. It does. I wonder if this is the color they gave everybody. It's a cute little bag, guys. Look at that. Oh, it has these little things. I think there should be some straps inside. I have not gone in this bag. Y'all are doing this a lot. Yes. Y'all are getting this the same time that I am opening it. I don't know how this works. I'm gonna figure this out later. But there's this little contraption here, and then this looks like a strap, and then this I don't know, but it is a bag. We do know that. All right, and it's very cute, very sturdy. And then we have a portable fan. I'm not really into these, but maybe I'll give it a whirl. What color is it though? That matters. Oh, so it is blue. See? Are there batteries included? Oh, it's like don't need battery. Be like the bougie girls. All right, got a fan. I will try that. I don't sweat that much, so there's that. There's this, which looks like a big fan. Whew. Oh, perfect. Good breeze, good breeze. I don't know who. Arctic Arctic Air. Good fan. And then oh my god, it's a beach towel, I think. Oh, this is good stuff, y'all. Oh, and it's quality, and it's purple. Oh my god. Y'all win. Y'all are winning. Okay? This bag might be better than the Trinidad bags I've gotten in the past. Y'all didn't hear that from me, though. All right. And what else? We've got, I like glasses. We've got an oxygen mask tattoo. I think I will wear that. Where should I put it? And yes, honey. Okay, with the glasses. Oh, and they match my costume. Huh. Let me find out. Oh. Okay, let's see. Let's see if I can rock these. But all glasses aren't for everybody. These are actually prescription shades. Let's see. What do you think? I'm still not sure what I'm doing with my. I like it. I like it. You'll see my hair? I like it. All right. These are good. And it says oxygen on it. That's dope. That's dope. Y'all really thought this through. Shout out to whoever put the goodie bags together. Well done. Well effing done. Oh, and there's a little thingy. Hold on. Finding more things. Okay, so for the crock lovers, you have a little oxygen thing to put. I don't know what they're called, but you put them in your Crocs. I can put it somewhere else. I think this is the best bag I've ever gotten, and I'm not exaggerating. Well done. So excited about this. Anything else in here? No, but this bag though, well done. So let's take a moment to look to see what's inside the costume bag. First and foremost, the packaging. I'm a packaging girl. I'm here for it. Look at this. And a heavy, box, two little things, has my information on it, how y'all should do it, nice and organized. I love it. The project manager in me loves it. Now, here you have a QR code that's going to tell me the information that I need for the road. I love it. Scan me. But it's also very attractive. All right, so as I was standing in line, I saw these buckets and I saw what was going in the box. I was like, is it bad that I'm excited about the Shirley cookies? Original and cocoa, my faves. My favorites. With tea or some Ritz soda that I just bought. I'm gonna have to drink the soda later on, because you'll know that I start drinking soda or sweet things because I start getting pimples. All right, so there's a smart power bank in here. Wow. By Singer. Wow. So look. So this can be brought on the road if you have a bag that's large enough. Oh my God, and on the back it says oxygen. Wow. So, for example, these are the things that you're paying for, right? So, and I've said this many times before, that you're not just paying for a costume. You're paying for an experience. You're paying for the drinks. You're paying for the costume, yes, but you're also getting the goodie bag. You're getting these things. These are not cheap. Like, these are power banks. Like, you would pay a good $30, $40 for quality ones online. Makeup wipes, towels, things like those things cost. So you're getting all of that, but you don't have to think about it, right? And you're getting this nice box. Now, granted, a lot of people are not going to bring the box with them back on the plane or anything like that, but it's visually attractive. This mug, now, no other mug has beaten my Bacchanal Jamaica Peony Wally Mass mug from 2016. Like, I'm still rocking with that real hard. The paint has not chipped. It is still doing what it needs to do. We're going to see how this one holds up. It's very nice. You can't see it because of how they do it. That doesn't work here. You can't see it, but it has oxygen, but on both sides, which is great, because now it doesn't matter if you're a righty or a lefty, you still get the promo. Okay, I get vexed when it's just one side. I'm like, but that's not how I want to hold it. All right, so normally I would bring my own mug on the road, but I don't have to, because this is cute. So this will come on the road with me. Granted, it doesn't have a straw, but I can stick a straw down here and should be fine. And I'll just turn it and be good. Okay, so, but now I gotta remember to get a straw. This mug, and it's solid. Okay. All right. I think we're ready to get to the costume. So here's my bra. Here's my bra. So I did this 4-week challenge. I started a 4-week challenge on June 3rd. And I just wanted to feel better, because my body, like, I was having lower back pains and stuff, and I just did not want to do that. And I wanted to consistently build up my stamina, not just for this trip, but just for life, because I didn't like how I was feeling. And ever since I popped baby things out, my body has not been the same. So there was that. So this is why I'll come back to that story later. Hold on. Yes, this is why I like that bra. Because it's like half wire bra and half regular bra. And these gems are really pretty. So I'm looking forward to that. This should fit. Yeah, it actually kind of is a wire bra. And then this is supposed to go like that. But I don't like things that do that. So it's very possible that I might do something else. We'll see what happens. But really pretty. Look at the details, honey. Look at that. Look at that. And I was supposed to do my nails. Like I did the basics and I said that when I got here I would do the designs, but I don't think I'm gonna. I think I'm just gonna be nice and plain Jane, and there's nothing wrong with that. Now this panty I did open up at the mass camp because I just didn't remember what it looked like. Honey, the nanny is gonna be outside. Look at this. Whose banana vajayjay is shaped like this? What? Who's doing this? Oh God. No, absolutely not. No. Nope. So what's gonna happen is tomorrow is the last day for pickup. So we're gonna go back around between 8 and noon to inquire. One, my friend wants an individual backpack, and I would like the full, the one piece situation because I feel like the one piece is, yes, it would be more secure, but I just really love the way that it looks, and I would really like it. Like, it's just gorgeous. I think it really is. All right, so then we have the stuff. I jumping up high, I jumping up high. Dun, 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 and I don't give up. It's Carnival. All right, this has to be a leg. It doesn't say. That would be nice. So there's two of these, so I'm gonna assume this is a leg piece. Right? But I also know that I'm probably wearing a head wrap with my hair out like this, so this might go on my forehead like so. All right, so there's two of those. Oh, got it. I got it. Don't fly away. Oh, this is harder than I imagined. Awa this. Okay, guys, let's do better. So I think this is the belt thingy thing. I'm gonna have to look at the picture, but this is I think this is a belt. Yeah. Which is not going to play well with my tights. Oh, is this broken? So much. Sorry, guys. I don't know how I feel about these strings. I didn't think they would be this, but actually these aren't going to get in the way of the costume because, well, they might, the front might, but the back won't. But also the back, is this iron-on strips? This was interesting. Okay, I mean, unique use of thing. I don't know if this is supposed to be up here or not. Maybe it's supposed to be like that. But this is what it's doing. But how do you tie it? Okay, here's the string. Okay. It's touching the ground. And I don't think I want it to. It's okay. Undecided. I'm undecided. Oh, wait. You know what's not in here? I might be missing something. Not going to make a big deal of it because I wasn't gonna use it anyway, but all right, that's that, guys. But I love this bag. I love the box. I love the goodie bag. The costume is as advertised. Like, it's not a I don't have. I mean, I don't think I have a tiara, but should be able to get that tomorrow. But again, I don't think I'm gonna need it because I wasn't gonna wear it. So like, should I really complain? But yeah, but I'm going back tomorrow because I really want to get the bodysuit because I don't want to wear that two piece. Yeah, I'm gonna try it on and see what happens. But so far, so good. Yesterday we went to Boozy Boat. Great time. A little longer than I liked. Probably because we didn't start when we were supposed to. Like, we were supposed to start at 9 a.m. and then they pushed it back to 2 or 1, which means we got back later. And I like to party while the sun is up, right? I didn't want to come back at night because I wanted to enjoy the pool. I wanted to, relax. But then we got back, we went to KFC and came home washed up and then knocked out. Today they did the same thing. So the fete that we're supposed to go to later, brunch and soca, supposed to start earlier. Now we're starting at 4, ending at 11. I'm just like, come on. Can you let a brunch girl live? But anyway, such is life. It's going to be okay. It's only 8 minutes down the road. So it's fine. It's going to be fine. It's going to be a good time. It's already a good time. So yeah, that's that. Happy. Keep watching. More is coming. I'm posting on Instagram, and stay tuned. I don't know what's coming next, but I'll keep doing what I'm doing, and you keep letting me know if you like what I'm doing. Okay, bye.